Hey babes, welcome or welcome back. So in today's video, I'm just sharing with you just a few home updates. I'm like redoing this little cozy corner in my bedroom. I got a new rug from Ruggable. So all that I will be sharing in today's video. Before we get into this video, let's talk about Dossier, honey. Dossier, if you're unfamiliar, is a fragrance company that reproduces high-end luxury fragrances for a fraction of the price, honey. Like, I love looking and smelling expensive and not have to spend all my coins, honey. So y'all, I've been talking about this Fruity Honey, which has been like my absolute favorite. I've actually received a message from one of my babes talking about like how much she loved it as well. So y'all go check that out. Y'all know I always ask y'all to sound off below in the comment section and let me know how you're feeling it, if I recommended anything and you actually gave it a try. So yes, let me know which one of the Dossier fragrances that you tried out for yourself. I've also gotten some messages about the Ambery Vanilla. I've been talking about that a lot too, and yes girl, I'm so glad you like that as well. I also get some fragrances for my husband because, of course, you know, I like my man to smell good as well. So a few that I would recommend is the Citrus Marine, the Amory Saffron. My husband like is obsessed with this scent. Like, it's inspired by the Baccarat Rouge, and y'all, this is his favorite one. Like, he literally just like smells like this from his pores now without even using it. He uses it so much. It smells really good on him. And the Aromatic Watermelon, that also smells really good if you're looking for fragrances for that special guy. Floral Berries has also become one of my favorite for me. Floral Honeysuckle smells so good, and Floral Lavender has become one of my favorites as well. Dossier has so many different fragrances that you can choose from, that you can, you know, just decide on. Definitely check them out. And one thing about them that I really do love as well, since we are ordering online, if you are not crazy about the fragrance that you did decide to choose, or even one that I just suggested, you can always send it back, no questions asked, money back guaranteed. I would definitely suggest you guys checking out Dossier. Of course, I will have my code linked below in the description box. Go check them out, honey. Moving right along into the kitchen, I want to show y'all my new rug I got from Ruggable. Like, totally obsessed. I've been hearing so many good things about Ruggable, so I wanted to give them a try myself. I was always contemplating on purchasing like a runner for the kitchen, and I'm happy that I found this one. I loved it because I think it complements my kitchen so well. It has like touches of greens, blues, oranges, and some golds, and I think that really looks just really well with all the brown that I do have in my kitchen. It does come with a pad. You have the option to just get a padded one or more cushioned one, and just a regular one. Y'all get the cushion. Just get the cushion. And I love that it comes with the Velcro, so it doesn't like rise up when you're like walking on it. Y'all, Rocky thinks that this rug is like his new bed. Like, he just lays on it all day. Yeah, he just, I guess, as obsessed as I am. But it is just so well. I think it goes really nice in the kitchen. I'm trying to tell him to like move out the kitchen. He's just like not listening at all. And yeah, my pup just loves being in front of the camera. Like, you pull out the camera, he's just right there wagging his tail. But y'all, check this rug out. It is just really nice. I think it's really sturdy as well. So definitely good for like pups, high-end traffic areas. And of course, the best part about it is you can always just throw that baby right in the washing machine and just get it clean, have it looking brand new. Y'all, so remember last week I told y'all, you know, I just get like flowers once a week, or when they die I get new ones. But this is the only two flower stems that lasted from last week. Y'all, did y'all know if you put ice in your water with the flowers that's getting ready to die, like, they will just liven right back up? Who knew? So these babies have been holding on just a little bit longer. All right, y'all, I'm showing y'all the rug one more time because Rocky is gone, and I wanted y'all to get a better glimpse of this rug. Yes, check it out. Love that. So y'all, I went to Bath and Body Works. I have not been to Bath and Body Works for like 2 years, 3 years maybe. They had a sale on their soaps, and I picked up a few, and I wanted to show you guys some mahogany, apple, some of my favorites, sweater weather. Like, who can resist sweater weather? And just some other few favorite soaps that I did pick up. I usually kind of just stay away from Bath and Body Works, one, because they were just taking all my money, but I had to kind of treat myself to some soaps. And I also treated myself to this candle. I never purchase their candles when they're like not on sale, because to me they're just a little bit expensive. But I could not leave this one in the store, and I'm a girl who believes that if you want it bad enough, girl, just go ahead and treat yourself to it. I've been told I'm a bad influence on that kind of like get whatever you want sort of thing, but I feel like, look, you just live once, and if you know, making sure everything else is good, treat yourself sometimes. So I did put it on my kitchen island. I have it in this little bowl. I made it like a little candle holder, and I think it looks really nice right here with my little vase and my candle. I want to show y'all my nice little coasters. I got them in there like Raiders. I did share this before. My husband is obsessed with the Raiders, so I wanted to make it fun and kind of just have, you know, something Raider-esque, or, you know, football, or just fun in my house. So y'all, he had to get those coasters. I was also shopping at Home Goods. Oh no, TJ Maxx, I'm sorry. I found these at TJ Maxx. They did not have a price on there, so I was hoping that the clerk would give me a really good price, and she did. Homegirl hooked me up for $16 for these beads. So I took out my crystals. Love the crystals, miss them, but I put the beads in here, kind of just placed them on top of the console table. I thought that looked really nice. And then I also kind of changed things up a little bit on this side, placed a few coffee table books on there. And then I also picked up just a few candlesticks. They're supposed to be fall scented. They don't smell like anything really. They're unscented, which is good. I really do like unscented candles, especially if I have other candles burning. I don't want too many different scents around my home. And I love the little texture on them. They're like little twirls or twisties. So I am placing them in my dining room, and I'm just going to light these babies up. I think they look really nice inside of this candle holder. I think they were a little bit too big or a little too small, but they did seem to work. And this is how I had everything set up on this side right here. So remember when I said I was thinking about adding in like some brown moss in here because it was just looking too greeny? So I did steal some brown moss from in my living room and just kind of added it in here, and I think this looks so much better. It looks a little bit more like realistic to me because it was just too green. So if you're having you know, issues with your artificial plants just looking too fake or it's just too green, try adding in that brown moss, just mixing it all in together, just kind of giving it that more realistic look. I did get this fiddle leaf plant from Amazon, y'all. It just looks so real, so good. It's really nice and full. I love it. So if you are in the market for a nice artificial fiddle leaf plant, go ahead and check out Amazon. I will definitely have that link below in the description box if you are interested. Y'all, so moving right along into my bedroom, y'all know I've been kind of like having not a little bit of trouble, but some trouble on figuring out what I wanted to do in this little corner here. I did purchase this chair from IKEA, and it's really nice. So I was thinking about actually placing it underneath that wall art right there. I thought it would look really nice versus just being like in that corner, not really doing anything. So I'm going to kind of rearrange the room and just kind of see how everything looks and kind of style it and decorate it real nice. So I did purchase this wall art. I had it for a while. I did purchase it from Home Sense, and I just love the white, the gray, and then like the gold frame around it. And I'm going to decide to place the little accent chair underneath of it. I don't know what made me do this. I just felt like it would just look really nice right there. By itself, it just looked like it was missing something. Y'all, this chair is way heavier than what it looks. Definitely doable if you know you just need to rearrange it, but it is kind of heavy, and it was extra heavy on this day because my back was killing me. this planter for quite some time. Also, I had it actually downstairs in my basement. I don't know why I'm showing y'all this, like y'all can really see inside of the planter, but I did purchase it from Ross. It was only 20 bucks, which I thought was a decent price. And I've always had this weeping eucalyptus tree in my bedroom, but I felt like it just needed a little extra oomph, so I did place it inside of this planter and just kind of like fix the branches just a little bit, and I thought that looked really nice. If you wanted to, you can kind of like fill this plant like I did with the others downstairs with like the moss and everything, but I kind of like this look right here. It's looking really good. And y'all, here's my sidekick again, big old rock, actually watching what I'm doing next. And I am placing the little small accent table that I did have downstairs, and I brought it back up in my room. I'm going to place that on the side and then just add a little bit of decor on top of it. I have this little planter. I just love this thing. It is so nice. I got this also from Amazon, and I just added in some dried baby's breath in here, and then I just have a small candle that I'm just going to also place on the side just for a little decor. On the arm of the chair, I'm just going to go ahead and add in a nice cozy throw. I had this throw for some time now. I had it on my bed, and I'm just going to put it in on my chair. And y'all, why didn't y'all tell me boucle was really nice? Like, I always thought it was just overrated, still overrated, but this pillow cover was super cute. This is an 18 by 18, and I'm going to fill it with a 20 by 20 IKEA pillow. If you are looking for that fuller look for your pillows, go ahead and add in a larger pillow. Not too much larger, because you don't want to kind of mess up the pillow, have it looking over stuff, but just maybe 2 inches bigger. Like, so if this is the 18 by 18, just go ahead and add in a 20 by 20. And I always just kind of fold the pillow insert to kind of put it in just a little better, and then just flatten everything out just for that nice fluffy look. You get your pillow insert all the way in, it should just fit really nice and snug, and just go ahead and like kind of tuck it down so it won't get caught in the zipper, and you are good to go. Alright y'all, so this is how it looks in my little cozy corner right here. I think it looks really nice. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. I just love it. I think it looks super cozy, really modern, and just really simple and just neutral. Definitely the vibe that I'm going for in my bedroom. I'm actually thinking to add in a picture light. I don't think I need it in my bedroom. Do people put picture lights in their bedroom? Y'all let me know. But yeah, this is how the bedroom is looking right now. Really simple. I just got this really simple and neutral vibe going on in my bedroom. It's so comfortable, so cozy, and yeah. So guys, if you enjoyed hanging out with your girl, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Definitely leave me some comments down below, and if you aren't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.